Hi everyone, so today we're going to be doing multiplication. I'm going to teach my cat multiplication. Just kidding. Now we're actually going to be opening a gift for Jasper. Oh, this is not for Jasper. Is made for the undercoat and for longer hair. Jasper didn't seem to like the other brush that I used for him, so I'm trying to see how he likes this one. I can feel it pulling the hair. Maybe I need to do it a little faster for him. And if you see all that hair that's coming out, and I'm gonna try the other side also. Feel a little bit of resistance, like it's dematting, and that is a lot of hair coming out, guys. But so far he's okay. Look at his face. How do you think he's doing? He's doing okay. Okay, that's getting a little bit, it could be a little bit overstimulating, so I might have to stop for a bit and then go again. Look at that. That is awesome.